Hi, folks. This is Lee Gettess with the Market Sense for the week of June 14th, 2011. That is Flag Day, isn't it? Charts I use come from the Trade Navigator software by Gettess Financial Technologies. First chart we're looking at is our weekly bond chart, and after, gosh, how many weeks of that straight up, we finally have a little weakness here. And the weakness is at a very interesting point. As you can see, we're right down to this red line here, which let's call it 123.28. It's very possible if this move up is going to continue that they will find support here and turn right back up and at least test these highs, if not go to new highs. If that isn't the case and they don't hold here, they could break all the way down to the 121.20 area in this mid-Keltner channel. There's also another possibility, which is we have this old swing high back here, which is roughly 122.12. It's very possible that they'll come down into that area, just sort of in the middle of nowhere here, but at that old high and turn back up from there. That would also be a relatively normal pattern in a bull market. But as strong as this move is, it wouldn't surprise me if they've actually done all the selling they're going to do and they turn back up from this area. I wouldn't call it right to the tick there. I mean, we'd give them some sloppiness just because of volatility, but somewhere right in here, they could very well turn back up. That's what we'll be looking for. If they don't here, then they've got probably another point and a half to go to reach this old swing high. In stocks, we have a sort of a similar reverse situation. Stocks haven't been nearly as weak as bonds have been strong, but they have broken down fairly hard. Interestingly enough, this high was May 1st, right when they got Osama bin Laden, and they've sold off ever since, and they've just shown a little strength here recently, and that strength has carried them right up to this resistance area here, which is, we're going to call it 1285. It's very possible that they can hold and turn back down from there if this market is going to trend down hard. Now, if not, we could certainly see them up here in the 1300 area. That would make a lot of sense, being a psychological level as well as other things. And it's possible they could be back up to 1320 or more. But right in here at 1285, possibly up to 1300, I think we got to look for them to turn back down and see if they can't reach this 1253 area. I really think the party is kind of over. This big bull move that's lasted more than 2 years, I think, is probably done for 18 to 24 months. But my long-term viewpoint is as useless as anyone, so you're free to pay no attention to that. But I am looking for reasons for them to turn down from in this area here. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you find something profitable you can get yourself into. Thanks for checking in with us.